try and go up and find a waterfall, but it's not raining there, but over there it's raining. I don't have a raincoat. Lots of water coming off the mountain. It rained quite a bit yesterday and then this morning as well. It's a bit muddy underfoot. Looks like the sun's come out as well. The water must have come through here quite a lot because all these rocks. Not sure about that boulder, but you can see where the water kind of went straight through. Heading up that path there. Hopefully I can find that big waterfall. I haven't been to it in quite a number of years. I have a feeling I should have brought my wide angle lens. It's the face of the mountain. So we're getting up there now. That was our first little waterfall. The pathway, I think, loops back around to the big one. Somewhere up there. Okay, came from that way. I can either go up here or down there. I don't know which way is the right way. The river is here, so I'm gonna go up here. I think that makes sense, right? I don't know, this path is quite overgrown. I don't know if anyone, my words, I don't know if anyone comes this way that often, but there are lots of running footprints that go along here, so hopefully we go around and up here and end up back in this ravine, or I've gone the wrong way and I have to go back down the other path which goes here to that ravine over there. If you can see that. Or it's down there in that big gap in the trees. I don't know if the GoPro can see that. Okay, there's this path that goes up here, so let me see where this goes. Okay, all the noise of the waterfalls is down there. I don't remember coming up this high. It's the last time. So, I'm just going to see where this goes. Maybe, I don't know if it loops up here. Otherwise I'm going to turn around and go back, because I can see the path down there. Definitely not this way. So I have to walk all the way down those stairs again. Yeah, as I said, I haven't been this way in a long time, so I forgot which way it was. This is the pathway down here. Hopefully that's the right way. Otherwise I'm lost. Am I on the right trail? We'll see now. I just passed two girls and their dog, and I asked them if the waterfall was this way, and they said, well, there was another one back there where I passed them, and they thought that was it. But it looks like this is it over here. They just had to walk around that corner. They didn't reach it. Yeah, there it is. Wow, looks like a shower. Thought it would be bigger with all the rain, but still pretty cool. You can definitely tell, like, all of this area, water must have come rushing down Yeah, I see freshly broken branches down there. Must have been yesterday. Okay, that was the waterfall. Some other people there now. Time to head back down for lunch. Slide down these slippery rocks. I should really be a tour guide. Every time I'm on the mountain, people ask me for directions. And just like that, we are back down. From somewhere up there. Yeah, thankfully it didn't rain just here at the start when I first came up here.